Actually found some people staying warm in their car.
In their cars.
Tonight, team's Ryan Medeiros is live in one neighborhood dealing with the problems in Warwick.
Yeah, that's right, Dan and Patrice. Even though the storm may have run its course, it's still causing plenty of problems for Rhode Islanders. Take a look at this scene behind me here. We're going to zoom in. Our photographer Patrick's going to give you a look at this fallen tree, which has taken down a bunch of power lines. And I'll tell you what, it's left an entire community in the dark.
I don't think we're going to have power for a little while here.
Warwick resident Jeremy Mowbray is fed up with the blizzard of 2026.
They say, oh, we're going to get 6 to 12. Yeah, sure. And then, you know, here we are, 24 inches in the morning. Now we're 37 inches, I think.
And his frustration is well warranted, considering this scene, a massive tree tearing down power lines on West Shore Road. Now his grandparents are without power, no lights, no heat.
So I'm going to try to get their generator out of their shed and bring it up to the house and help them out.
A little ways up the road, Kristen Armstrong is camped out in her car.
This is way worse than the blizzard of 78.
With no heat, she's just trying to stay warm.
It's getting down to about 52 in there right now.
But also staying optimistic.
We'll get through it. We always do. It's New England. That's what's to be expected, I guess.
And like true New Englanders, Mowbray says his grandparents are proving resilient, even in the dark. Are they holding up okay?
You know, they're tough. They tell me they're fine. I said it's going to be real cold, so I really want to get that generator going for them, that's all.
And this is the scene right out here live at 11 o'clock. The one crew out here is this lone Warwick police cruiser. You'll see also the roads are clear and the winds have died down, so you'd have to think it's only going to be a matter of time before power crews get out here, but no sign of them thus far. Live in Warwick, I'm Ryan Medeiros, NBC 10 News Night Team.